Okay guys, welcome to yet another Excel video. So today we are going to try to create a clock or an automatic clock on our Excel worksheet. So if you have an Excel worksheet you're working with and you just want to have maybe a clock just up there reading like a digital clock on your Excel sheet, so this is how to do it. So the first thing you need to do, you have to go to your Excel sheet, the one you're working with. Then you select some, you can use one cell, you can select multiple cells. So here I'm going to select some multiple cells. Let's say I want to use all these cells for my time to display my clock, so I'll merge the cells together. Then inside that I'll write a formula which is equals to now to get the time, the present time. So this is the present time now, so let's change the format. So we go to here, let's change the format to a time format and use the specific format. Okay, and let's take this to the middle to give it a better look. So let's place it there at the middle. So now after doing this, you have to write some VBA codes to actually activate this clock. So what you do, you go to your VBA work panel, which is by pressing alternate F11. So when you do that, your VBA work panel will come up. So I'm gonna show you the VBA work panel. So this is how the VBA work panel looks like. So the first thing you need to do is you have to start a new module. So you go here, you start a new module. This way you're going to write your VBA codes. So the codes we are going to write as follows. So you start by writing the subroutine, which is sub, let's call it clock. So after that, you now write the following codes. Start from range. Now the range is the cell you are working with, where like you need to look for the cell your actual clock is in. So you click on this, you can see that the clock is in cell A1. So let's go back to our macro. Yeah, so it's in cell A1, so just put in cell A1 in quotations there. Then you now write, you continue by completing the code dot value equals to now. So after that we have to do application dot on time, because we are choosing the present time now, plus, so we are adding some seconds time value. So let's look at we put in the time value, which is 00.01, close the quotation and put in clock there. Yeah, and that's the end of our macro. This is how the macro looks like. So let me show you the entire code. This is how the entire code looks like. This is how the entire code looks like. So these are the entire code. So once you finish writing this code, you just have to run the code. So once you run the code, your clock should automatically start working. Can you see our clock is working now? Then you can just give the clock some designs, change the font size. Let's say I want to change the font type and the font size. So I'll use this font. Let's say I want to use this font. Then we could change the size to, like, let's say make it bigger. And we can also look at the cell design. You can change the cell style to output cell style. So yeah, that's it. Our clock is working perfectly, looking nice. Yeah, looking nice and fine. Yeah, so that's how to have a clock on your Excel worksheet, a digital clock that actually works on your Excel worksheet. Thank you very much. That's the end of our tutorial for today. Hope that helped. See you in the next one. Bye.